Do you need to replace the Palmrest keyboard assembly on your Inspiron 13 5310? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the link on the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including step-by-step written tutorials with detailed images. And now let's get into it. Okay, real quick, ESD or electrostatic discharge is the buildup of static electricity on a person's body. To prevent this, you can use an ESD wrist strap as well as an ESD mat. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Now use a plastic scribe to pry apart and separate the bottom base cover. Then disconnect the battery cable. Now unscrew and remove the battery. Then disconnect and remove the CMOS battery. Now disconnect the speaker cable. Then unroute the cable and remove the speakers. Now unscrew and remove the Wi-Fi bracket. Then disconnect the antenna cables and then slide out the Wi-Fi card. Then peel away the mylar that covers the solid-state drive. Now to replace the 2230 SSD, unscrew and remove the solid-state drive bracket. Now to replace the 2280 SSD, just unscrew and slide it out. Next, unscrew and lift the left LCD hinge. Next, peel away the adhesive that covers the input-output board cable. Now unclip the locking tab and disconnect the input-output board cable. Then unscrew and remove the input-output board. Now unclip the locking tabs and then disconnect the input-output board cable from the motherboard. Now unscrew and remove the Type-C port bracket. Now lift the right LCD hinge. Then unscrew and remove the LCD cable bracket. Now disconnect the LCD cable. Then lift the display assembly from the Palmrest. And then disconnect the left and right cooling fan cables. Now unscrew and remove the left cooling fan. Then unscrew and remove the right cooling fan. Now unclip the locking tab and then disconnect the touchpad cable. Then unclip the locking tab and disconnect the keyboard cables. Now unclip the locking tab and then disconnect the touchpad cable. Now unscrew and remove the touchpad bracket and touchpad. Now unclip the locking tab and disconnect the power button cable. Then remove the power button. Now with the heatsink still attached, you can remove the motherboard. The remaining part is the Palmrest keyboard assembly. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. if you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.